Hey survivors, it's Kadon HD here from VereTech Gaming, and today we're going to be bringing you a tutorial on how to connect the Rust Console Edition G-Portal server to the VereTech RCE bot. So the first thing you want to do is head over to our documentation. The link for the documentation is here. It is docs.veretech.systems. Just so everyone's aware, this is the same steps both on mobile and on PC. So you want to click on the VereTech RCE bot here, click the drop down for installation and head over to adding your game server. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see a code here. What you want to do is copy that code. This is the G-Portal permissions code so that the bot can access your server and provide your kill feed. Then we want to head over to our G-Portal server. Click on the permissions tab on the left hand side, paste in that code and click add user, and it will pop up down the bottom here. Once that's done, then we want to grab this 7-digit code up here. This is your Gameserver ID and then your region code. So you'll have one of two region codes, either EUR or INT. Once we've done that, head back over to our documentation, scroll down and click here. So this will take you to a Discord link. You then want to find your Discord server and click continue. Then once you've done that, click authorize and then head over to your Discord server. What I like to do at this point when I first get onto Discord is set up the bot's permissions. So we want to go server settings, roles, and then I like to move this role above all of my player roles, but below my admin and moderator role. This is a test server, so it doesn't have an admin or moderator roles on here. Click Save Changes, click Edit, head over to Permissions, and then this is where we need to give the bot the permissions that it needs. So I like to give it View Channels, Manage Channels, requires Manage Roles, Manage Webhooks, manage nicknames, send messages in threads, embed links, attach files, mention at everyone at here and all roles, read message history, use application commands, connect, and set voice channel status. Then click Save Changes. Then what we want to do is type /GS add-GP. I can't type today. So /GS add-GP. Then that 7-digit code that we got from G-Portal, this one here. You then want to click, type that in there, click on region, and then select your region code. Then type in a nickname. This nickname is just for you and your users, so it can be whatever you want to call it. For this one, I'm going to call it VereTech Test. Once you've done that, you should get a success message from the bot, and it will ask you to wait around 5 minutes for it to be added to the list. So it can take up to 5 minutes for the bot to connect to your game server. Then what you want to do is head over to your PvP feed channel. Personally, I don't like people being able to talk in my PvP feed channel. I want to keep it clean just for the PvP feed. So what you want to do is click on Edit Channel, Permissions, View Channel, and Send Messages No for everyone. But then we need to add the bot and go View Channel and Send Messages Yes. Then type /p feeds config PvP. Select the game server that we added. Select yes, because I want it to show up in game, and select yes, because I'd like it to show in Discord as well. Click enter. The bot will then test that it can send a message and then tell you that you've turned your feeds on. We then want to do the same thing for the PvE feed. So view channel for everyone, but I don't want everyone to send messages, and then add the bot. View channel, send messages. Just going to do that for the event feed as well whilst I'm at it. Send message for everyone no, view channel yes. And then the bot needs to view the channel and be able to send messages. Then it's the exact same process. So feeds, config, but I'm going to select PvE this time. Yes, I want it to show up. Yes, I want it in game and in Discord. And then show scientists. If you select yes on here, it will show every time a player kills a scientist. Personally, I'm going to choose no, as I know that on high-pop servers, there can be a lot of feeds from players killing scientists. And then exactly the same for the event feed. So / feeds, config, event, VereTech test. Yes, I want it in game, and yes, I'd like it in Discord. Press enter. And the last thing we're going to do is we are going to show you how to set up your online player channel. So what you want to do is / GS online channel. Before you do this, you need to make sure you have a voice channel created, and that's the voice channel that you'd like to use. Select your game server, select the voice channel. So I'm going to use voice channel, this one here. And then prefix. So prefix is going to be everything that you want to display before the number of online players. So I'm going to use there are, then it's going to be the number. And then for my suffix, I'm going to use players online. Click enter. So there you go. That's the example there. That's what my channel will change to. So the first thing it will do is it will change to testing. And in about 5 minutes time, that will update to however many players I have online. The last thing that we're going to do now is check that we have access to our server and that we're connected successfully. So we're going to use / GS test. Select your game server and press enter. This here will tell you the feeds that we've just configured, including the online channel. It will tell you your game server ID, and if you look here, it will tell you that we are successfully connected to the game server. So that is it from us. I would suggest everyone joins our Discord, which is discord.gg/VereTech. And that's it from us. If you have any issues, head over to our Discord and create a ticket, and we'll be more than happy to help. Have a good day.